Hello and welcome to Weil-McLain's Tech Tip videos. I'm Brian and today we will be taking a look at our ECO Tec boiler and how to perform a firmware update. This is sometimes required if you are experiencing combustion issues or other difficulties with the operation of the boiler. So, nothing really magical here. You'll just need to make sure you have all the right tools to get the job done. First of all, the boiler must be a Series 2 version or a Series 1 upgraded with the Series 2 control module and display. If you have a Series 1 and need to do a firmware update, you will need to replace the control module and the display. You can check to see what version you have by holding the WM logo for 5 seconds. You'll see Contractor menu, then click Diagnostics and Software versions. Old Series 1 software will be Display 2.10, U2 V2 04, Radio 1.06. This version cannot connect to Bluetooth or have the firmware updated. You will need the new Series 2 software. Display 3.10, U2 V2 3.03, Radio 2.02 or higher. Next, you'll need to make sure you have our ProTools app. You can get that from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Next, register as a contractor on the ProTools app, and you'll have full access to all the features in the app. Alright, so now that we have gathered what we will need, the first thing to do will be to download the update to your phone. This should be done in an area with good cell phone reception to expedite the download. First, log into the app, press Connect, press Firmware Update, press Download for the appropriate boiler model. You will need A, Radio, B, Control U2, C, Display. Once you've completed the download, proceed to the boiler and swipe left to right to access the menu. Click the Bluetooth button and turn it on. Now, on the ProTools app, click Connect, then connect to the boiler. If no boiler is shown, press Scan. If you have multiple boilers, check the CP numbers. The device name will contain the last 4 digits of the CP number on the boiler. Then press Install. Under normal circumstances, it should take less than 10 minutes to update the firmware on the boiler. And now you have the latest firmware version on your equipment. Well, thanks for watching. We hope this video was helpful, and be sure to download our ProTools app. It has everything you'll need to help diagnose and repair Weil-McLain products, along with lots of other helpful features.